Hey you guys, it's your girl All That Jazz here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. I hope you like this video and like me enough to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey fave and welcome back. As you can see from the title of this video, I am picking up my new camera. This camera that I'm recording on is my own personal vlog camera. It is the Sony ZV-1 and it's a great camera, but it's only good for vlogging. And now that my channel is monetized, yay, I want to do more studio recording. I am picking up the Sony A7 IV at ProCam. So if you want to see the unboxing and come along with me to pick up my new camera, keep watching this video. We're here at ProCam. About to pick up my new camera. Yay! Yeah. I want to learn how to fly one. So I am getting a camera and I'm getting a lens as well. Not sure what lens I am going to get, but we'll see which one is suitable for me and what I want to do. So yeah, they got some of the cameras up there. So he is getting it from out of the back. I do have like a finance account with this store, so I am financing it. I don't believe in like dropping cash. Like, you know, if you have the credit, do it. And it's interest free for a year. So if I pay it off within a year, it's interest free. Same as cash. I don't see why not. Credit is my best friend. I am like the credit points queen. Leverage your credit. So he's going to pick that up right now, and when I get home, because we're kind of in a rush, I will do an unboxing revealing for you guys so you guys can see it up close and personal and all that jazz. Alright you guys, I am back home and let's see. So I ended up getting the camera, an extra battery, and a lens. So, my receipt. So, I'm going to open this stuff up so I can show you guys exactly like what I got. First, I want to start off and say, like, I ended up getting an extra battery because, of course, obviously, you don't want anything to happen while you're recording, and you always just want to have a spare backup battery for anything. But I ended up getting, like, an off-brand battery that they sell. And they get a Sony brand. For the things that I'm trying to do, I'm not doing like wedding photography or stuff like that. So I got the cheap battery. The battery was $65.95, and I think the Sony battery that he was trying to sell me, the original Sony battery, was like $70. So I ended up saving like, or $75. So I ended up saving like $10 off of the battery. Alright, so for the lens I ended up getting a used lens because the lens he was trying to sell me was like $2,000. Like, I was like, I'm not paying $2,000 for a lens, and I'm paying that much for a camera. So I ended up getting the Sony ZA-FE 24 to 20 to 74 millimeter f4, and this was used. And this was $319. So let's open this up. That's why it's in this box, because it's used. So this is how it's looking. So this is what I got. Don't want to damage that. And then it comes with a little bumper. Some stuff to put on it. So yeah, so this is what I got. Oh, put this back on here. Okay, and cover this up. Okay, and there's something else in this box too. Let me see. Oh, it comes with a little pouch, a little case. Okay, cool. So I'm about to put that. I'm about to put that right in there right now. This is nice. So comes with a little carrying case, and it still has the manual. So for this to be used, it still comes with everything that it will come with if it was new. So that's good. And then now for the camera. So I am opening this up with you guys. So as you can see, brand new. So camera that I got is the Sony A7 IV. And ooh, and I get an extra $50. Oh, like, you know, I love to save some money. So I'm for sure, when I register this product, I'm getting my $50 off because I already saved some money. So, but you know, I'm gonna break it down to y'all and tell y'all how much I spent today. But I saved some money. So I'm about to open this up. I'm opening this up with you guys. Trash can. Come on. Like, I love tech toys, so hopefully, you know, in the future these companies will be sponsoring this video, because you know, I spent this with my hard-earned money. Okay, but maybe GoPro or somebody send me a GoPro, because I needed a GoPro so I can start using an off-brand one. But opening up. So comes with strap. Let me show y'all. So comes with this strap that you can hook on the camera. Super thick, super nice, and it got Sony. It got Sony on one side, and it got A7 IV on the other side. Period. Obviously, charging cord for the battery. Now, why is this not coming apart? Okay, there we go. So, charging cable for the battery. So, I don't know what this is. This might be the battery. Okay, so this is the back piece for the battery, to charge the battery. And then this is the actual battery. I don't know, this is why I'm getting a new camera, because this for some reason cut off, and I don't know where it cut off to, but I was taking out the charger and because I'm recording on my Sony ZV-1, my vlog camera, so I guess it's telling me to hurry up. So, but this is the reason why I'm getting a new camera. But anyway, so I don't know, I guess I'll figure it out. But so charger, battery, and then I believe this is the camera. It better be the camera. So this is the camera. So this is the Sony A7 IV. Look at her. so freaking pretty. I'm gonna get a screen protector for that so it don't get scratched up, but and it's super lightweight. It's not even heavy at all. Like, I love it. And the screen, it flips out this way, flips out the other way, so that's good. These are the ports on the side, and they flip out. So you got your HDMI port right here. This is for the mic. When this come out? This one is for the headphones. And then I guess this is where you charge the battery at. So it got like the Android charger, and it got the iPhone charger inside of there. So that's cool. It's gonna take me a minute to get adjusted to it and look at it and see what I can do with it and learn all the functions and functionality of it. So it's gonna be a minute, but and then this part, but yeah, y'all, I'm excited. I gotta learn how to work it. So yeah, so this is it. So this is the camera. All right, so let's get into prices. So I'm gonna tell y'all about the prices, how I got a discount, and how much I paid and spent for it today. And where do I put my SD card though? That's where I need to find out. Hold on. And also too, we got this little stand right there. So yeah, cute. I love it. I cannot wait to use it. All right, y'all. So today I spent $2,819 for everything. So the battery was $65.97. The lens was $319.97. And the camera was $2,498. So since I have been with ProCam for a long time and buying equipment from there, I had points, and my points equivalent to $25. So I ended up getting $25 off of my purchase. And then Sony had an instant rebate for $200. And then also, if I register, so if I register my product, I will get $50 in cash back. So let's do some math here. So $2,819 take away 50. So today, if I went with, not if, when I do the instant rebate, I spent $2,768 on today for all of my equipment. So yeah, and also I got this with, and I financed this, so everything is good as cash if I pay this off within 12 months. So with ProCam, they have this finance program with Wells Fargo. I got it like a couple of years ago, and as long as I pay everything in full within 12 months, I will not get charged interest. So I put that all on there on my Wells Fargo account and financed it. So in 12 months, it will be paid off. It will probably be paid off before then, knowing me. But, you know, like I said, I like to leverage my credit. If I have good credit, I have thousands of credit cards. If you have not looked at my how to travel for free using credit cards video, you need to watch it, because I give you some gems on how I'm able to travel for free or a little bit of nothing. All right, you guys, that is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and also enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to be a fave. Hit that subscription button. That way you can be notified whenever I make new videos. And appreciate you for watching. And until next time, bye.